Okay, so I discussed the business digital tool for managing businesses. So let me just have a walk with you on how it works. So this is the sheet. You can see business name. It's easy to set up. Just enter your business name here, upload your business logo, enter your address, put in your phone number, and then you can clear the sheet data before you start using it. And then come down here and set up your product, all the products you are selling, buying price, selling price, the state, if you are selling online, the state the person is buying from. If your product are categorized, you can put out the categories here. Payment method is already captured here. And then if you are giving discount, though this is an optional field, then transaction ID is already set. Then you can also select colors because it also issues invoice. This is the invoice. You can see the logo we just set up. It's here. The company name is here, the receipt, and then you can issue automatic invoice after every sales transactions. So come back to setup, and then if you have staff, you can put in your staff name and their phone number here and even their address. So how do you use the sheet? As simple as this is the sales record sheet. Every day someone walks into your shop, you just take the date. If it is today, you put in today's date, you put the person's name, the customer's address, the state. If it's online, you can select the state, and then the phone number. You can set the category of what he wants to buy. He wants to buy trousers, and the transaction, the last transaction is 11, so this transaction is going to be 12. So the product the person is buying is, let's say, product 5, and then how many is he buying? He's buying 6 of it. So the unit price I set is 6 naira. So he's going to use that to calculate how much is expected to pay. And payment method is paying by transfer. So he has made full payment because amount paid is 40.2 naira because it has multiplied 6 naira times the quantity the customer have purchased. So you get, but if the customer didn't purchase, maybe you are selling on credit or he paid part payment, you can enter amount paid here. And if it is less than this amount, let's say he paid 20 naira, automatically it changes color to orange to tell you that the guy has paid part payment. But if I put back the actual figure, see it's now full payment automatically. So is this an online sales? Yes, it's an online sales. Now you have entered the transaction of one customer. You can also, as they keep coming, you keep entering. These are different logs I have entered, different transactions that I've entered. And that's not the beautiful thing about this. You can, you already have your invoice. If I want to issue out invoice, this transaction, invoice number 5, we just did 12 now, which is this. This is the only product we just purchased now, 6 quantity, and he paid this amount, and this is the total. So here also you can include your tax. You know, from next year, government will start collecting tax. So you can put the tax on your product that you sell automatically, and it calculates your tax at 7.5% and include it in the total bill that you are sending. You can easily just come up here and download the receipt as PDF and send it to the customer. But that's not the most interesting thing. Now, the beautiful thing about this is there is a dashboard for you to monitor all everything going on in your business. And here's it. So this is the dashboard for this tool. So you can see the total revenue you've made, the total items you have sold, the average order value. That means how much or how many uh, what's the average amount a customer spends in your store. So you get to know what kind of product to stock, the cost. If a cost is too high or higher than your average, you know it might be difficult for you to sell it out. Then we also have the total credit, total profit made, number of transactions, number of customers, and you can see what your staff are generating. This is staff name and what staff is generated. So here you can check your revenue by product, how much you are making from a particular product or your product you sell. You see which one is giving you most of your profit. And you can also see by category which category sells most for you. Then the top selling product, maybe by day, by week, by month. You can as well come to see weekly analysis of your sales performance. Mondays, Tuesdays, you can see Tuesday is the highest day. You make most of your sales on Tuesday. And here you have by month. January, the month of January, you made so much sales in January, and likewise, you can see now all these things is pulling out the record from this simple table I just showed you here. All these transactions, all these details is being viewed from here. Now, the beautiful thing about this is if you're a business owner, your staff doesn't even need to know that you have a dashboard like this because this dashboard sits in your phone, your device. You can check it anywhere. The staff runs the business with the sheet. You just monitor whatever it is going on here. And you can come down here to select a date range. You can say you want to see the transaction between 7th of November or 1st of November till 7th of November here, which is 1 week. And if I apply it, automatically it's going to show you no data. So you can also reset that. And then you can come by month. You can come to January, February, March. You can pick by month. You can also pick by year if you want to go through 2023 transactions. You want to see what happened in 2023, 2024, 2025. Let's see how much was made in 2023 um, and all that. So you can also go by product. You can say I want to see only product 2 or product 3 or product 4. So let's see only product 5, which is this. So it's going to reset your dashboard and you see what product 5, who has bought. You can see all the customers that bought uh, product 5 transactions. You can see the transaction histories here. So this is a tool. This is what I mean by digital product. Now, I could sell this to multiple businesses and it could also be customized. So this is what the Crocs sheet looks like. And for those who will be getting this, you'll be getting it at a very huge discounted rate. And you also will have the privilege to uh, ask me to customize it for you. And I will be doing that, setting it up for you. So thank you very much. I hope this throws light on what it is.